Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you add and use multiple Twitter accounts in one mobile device today, in this video I will show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clean method as well. So first open your Play Store or App Store. It depends on what device you're using. Simply search for X to find the X or the Twitter app and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to function properly. After that, you can quit the store. Now, of course, open your X app. Make sure you are logged into your first account, then tap here in the top left corner on your profile picture. You will get this menu with lots of options here. The one we need to choose is this button in the top right corner of this menu. This one right here. So simply tap right there. And in the bottom you get two options. You can go ahead and create a new account, or you can just tap on add an existing account if you have an account in mind that you want to add here. Let's say you don't have an account, so I'm going to tap on create a new account. You can create one with Google or tap on create account right here and proceed in these steps in making up your account. And that's it for this video guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video guys.